Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we are going to be handling detailing downloads from now on. This is regarding a memo you should have just gotten, subject receiving detailing submittals. From now on, we're going to use file transfer protocol to handle our detailing downloads. Our detailers will upload their files via their login on their end. Per the dispatch, all their the username and password information they need to be supplied will be given to them, and they'll upload their files and email a transmittal only. After a transmittal has been received, here's how you can get those files into our detailing downloads folder. On the right is the Coffee Cup FreeFTP program. You just search the internet and download that. It's very straightforward. When you first get it, when you click on servers here to the top left, you won't have these. You will have the S drive, which is something Coffee Cup pre-installs. Ignore that, but you won't have the rest of these, which are ones I've already set up. So you'll have to add a server. You click the green plus sign to add a server. Enter a nickname, Cody Detail. Should do. The server is always codybuilderssupply.com for any of these logins, whether it's ones the detailer's using or ours. The username per the dispatch you received is Cody Detail, and also in the dispatch is the password. It's already pre-selected to remember password, which of course you should because it makes it easier. Now you can connect. Now on the right of your Coffee Cup FreeFTP program screen, to the right are the things that are on the server, and it's the 3 different folders for the 3 different detailers. Like we look at VTS, you'll see I've actually already made these folders for them, so they can upload on their end the detailing they want to submit into any one of these folders. You go up, see how you move up, or you can click on this to go up a level. Now when they log in, they're only going to have access to their own folder with their own job folders. Like it'll look just like that, and they won't have the option to go up. This login allows access to all 3 of the detailing files. So that's on the right. On the left is your computer, or us, and it defaults to your desktop. You can also get to My Documents. Now of course what we're going to want to do is get to My Detailing Downloads. You probably will only have to do this once, because after you put in the appropriate routing information to have detailing downloads appear here on the left, it'll probably show up in this list from then on. But let me show you how to get that correct address there, because if you notice, you can't really browse. It doesn't give you the option of browsing. So let's minimize this for a moment, or make it go back to its side. Alright, so I've already taken the liberty of opening up detailing downloads here to the left. You should know how to navigate there. You can use your shortcut. Like see, I've on the right here a shortcut to it, and that's one way of getting there. You use your shortcut and then go back to all files up here at the top, and then detailing downloads, and then it would be open that way as well. Or hopefully, you know, you just have Cody Cloud showing up on your network, and then you can find your way to all files and get to detailing downloads. Anyway, once you have the detailing downloads open, you just highlight that location information to the top there, where it says, you know, // Cody Cloud, Cody, all files, so on, and right click that and copy it. And then over here in your Coffee Cup program, you just paste that information, and voila, all of the detailing downloads folders will be here to the left. So I think you're probably getting the idea how easy this is going to be. So on the right here we have what's on the server, and the left we have what's on our files in on our network, on your computer. That's on the left. So let's take a look. Let's say that we got a transmittal from DGS, that they have uploaded some files into test project. Here on the right you see test project. So you open test project to the right, and bam, those are the files that DGS has transmitted to us. On the left, we'll want to open test project. So far that's an empty file, and now we're going to take the files off of the server on the right. The way you select them all is with the shift key. So you click the top one, hold the shift key down, click the bottom one, and they'll all be selected. And then up here on the menu bar at the top is download. So now we're just going to download those into the test project on the cloud. There, it's done. Now, once you've downloaded them, you don't want to keep, double copies or, take up so much space with all the files online, and you want to indicate that they've already been downloaded. So on the right hand side where you see the drawings still highlighted, you want to delete those, and here's the little X that says delete file, the red X, delete file. Do you really wish to delete 3 selected files? I do, because I have downloaded them, and there it's empty. Now, just FYI, what's happening on the detailer's end is something very similar, and if you ever, were in the position of wanting to FTP them files back, similarly, you take the files that are located on detailing downloads, click the top one, click a shift key, and click the bottom one, and while holding the shift key down, it'll select all of them. Or if it's only a few different files, you can use the control key. You click the file you want, and then hold the control key down while you select a different file, and it'll skip files. So you can pluck them out, the ones you want. Let's say we just want to send those 2 files. You would highlight them on the left, up at the top, use upload, and they will magically appear in the DGS drawings test project file. And that's pretty much the simplicity of file transfer protocol. Thank you for your attention.